Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV.
Check out this 2022 Coachman Northern Spirit Ultralight 2557 RB lightweight, sleek, and built for adventure. With a durable aluminum frame and laminated sidewalls, this trailer is made to last while staying towable for a wide range of vehicles. You've got pass-through storage up front for all your gear, power awning with LED lighting for instant outdoor living, and solid entry steps for stability. Backup camera prep and solar prep keep you modern and road ready, while the enclosed underbelly helps extend your camping season. Clean lines, smart design, and true ultralight convenience, this one checks all the boxes. Step inside and you're greeted with a bright, open layout and modern finishes that feel like home on the road. The comfortable sofa gives you a perfect spot to relax, with easy access to the entertainment area. The booth dinette is great for meals, game nights, or extra sleeping space when needed. Versatile and functional. Enjoy your favorite shows on the entertainment center. Perfectly positioned for viewing from both the sofa and dinette. The large stainless steel sink with high-rise faucet makes cleanup easy, with plenty of counter space for prep. Quick meals are simple with the conveniently placed microwave overhead. Cook like you're at home with a 3-burner. Cooktop and oven combo perfect for everything from quick breakfasts to full dinners. The spacious refrigerator keeps all your food fresh and ready for those longer trips. Up front, the private bedroom features a comfortable queen bed, overhead storage, and wardrobe space on both sides, giving you a cozy, functional retreat after a long day. In the rear, you'll find a large full bathroom with a roomy shower, vanity, and tons of storage. It's spacious, private, and designed for real comfort on the road.